Okay, now we're going to do conditional execution. So that's like what we call the if statement or the if-else statement. So let's look at an example of this. So first, just let me set the value of a variable like x equal to 5. And then let me give you an if statement like this. So it says so I just set x equal to 5, then I write this if statement. If x equals 5, print grade is 5. So this is called an if statement, and you have if and then the condition that you check to see whether it's true or not. It's inside the regular brackets, and then what you want to happen if it's true. So is this true? Yes, because x was equal to 5, so it should print that. Now if I set x equal to 4 and then did that again, it won't do anything because it's only supposed to do that if x is equal to 5. Okay, here's another one. Whoops, not that one, sorry. This one. If x is equal to 5, print grade is 5. So, but that's not true. X is still 4 here. So this won't happen. Else, print grade is something other than 5. So, what's it going to do here? Since x is 4, it's going to print grade is something other than 5. So this is called an if-else statement. So in the if-else statement, you have the if, then the condition, then what to do if the condition is true, and then you write the word else, and then what to do if the condition is not true. Okay? Now we could combine this with the for statement like this. So now, this is a for statement, so it's going to, for x in 1 to 10, so it's going to repeat everything to the right of here 10 times, because it's going to repeat it when x is 1, then when, oh that's weird, yeah, when x is 1, then when x is 2, then when x is 3, and so on. So here, so that's, now x was set to be 4 up here, but now I'm resetting x inside here. So it's gonna, so x is gonna be 1, and it's gonna say if x is equal to 5, then print that, but that won't happen because x is 1. Else print something, grade is something other than 5, so it's gonna print that. And then x is gonna be 2, and then it's gonna check this, and it won't be true, so this won't happen, but this will. It's gonna print this again. And then 3, then 4, then 5. Finally, when 5, it's gonna print grade is 5, and then when it's 6, blah blah blah. So let's run this. You can see that it does that. Now, by the way, what is x now? X is 10. Okay? So this modifies the value of x. So this x is not local. Remember, we talked about local values. And this x is not local. This is a global value of x. Inside here, even though it's inside the loop, it's global. So you should be careful of that. You should realize that we set x equal to 4, but this changed it. Even outside, even in the global sense. So he explains this if-else control structure like we just did. He said if you just have if without the else, then you have if, then you have a condition, and then you have the statement that should be run if the condition is true. And if you have the else keyword as well, then you have if, then the condition, then statement 1, else some other statement. And he gives some example here, which is less obvious than the one I did, so you can read that if you want, but I will skip that one. And now we're going to have another version of if-else called if-else. This is just a single keyword. Okay, this one was if, or if, and then a separate keyword else, but this one is if-else. Okay, so we'll do that next.